So one of the things you can do with IXL is connect your NWEA scores. So you can start by going to Learning, and then you're going to see up here at the top says Skill Plans. Now what I did was I came in and looked at the Test Preparation tab, and then I pinned it up here. So I'm going to click on Test Preparation. You're going to select NWEA Map Growth and then select your grade level band. And then if you hit this little pin, it'll pin it to the top. So that's what I did. And then you can say Create Study Plans for Students. From here, you're going to see a list of your roster. And I have last year's students all listed in here at the moment. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go through the NWEA site and you're going to pull a report. So I'm going to flip over right now and show you that part. So I went into NWEA and I'm pulling a report. I pulled the Student Goal Setting Worksheet. So this is going to give me a range of numbers similar to what you're doing when you go into Khan Academy. You're going to take a look at the number of operations, geometry, measurement, and data, and operations and algebraic thinking. So you're going to use the lower of the range, so the bottom end of the range, and then you're going to enter that into your IXL. So I'm going to go back over to that tab. I'm going to scroll down and you're going to enter the overall, if you would like, the overall math score, and then you're going to enter in all the ranges. So as I take a look back here, overall is 202. I'm going to enter in 196 for number and operations. Okay, now that I'm done, I can enter in my reading score if I would like, and then I'm going to say update your plan. Now you don't have to enter in the sub-scores, you can just enter in the overall. Once I say update my plan, okay, now it says it's okay and ready to go.
So this is the IXL app on the iPad. I'm going to show you how to find those NWEA related skill plans. So if you tap on the subject area, you need to choose your skill plan. Then over here to the right, the upper right, we're going to change this. Right now it's just everything and they'd have to find their range. But if you tap here, if you've entered it in for them, you tap on personal, it's going to bring up their specific personal ranges for each of the different sections. So what they're going to need to do is they're going to need to make sure that they're getting at least 80% to move on. So once they get 80%, that'll take them to the next one. And so that would be for each section. Finally, once they're done, you can update them. And you can go ahead and do that either after every NWEA test that they take, or you can do that once they've moved them up, once they've completed that section at that level, move them up to the next level.